Good morning everybody, I am Sridhar Reddy. Today my topic is atomic structure. Who used the word atom at first time? If you observe, the name of the scientist is Dalton. Atom word first time and he given the one definition for the atom. Atom is a smallest indivisible particle. What is the meaning of this one? The atom cannot be subdivided into another small pieces is called the indivisible particle. We cannot divide into subparticles. That much of smallest particle is called the atom according to the Dalton. But atom is divisible. How we can say? If you observe the inside the atom, we will get nearly 100 subparticles will be present inside the atom. Among them, 97 particles are ignored and only 3 particles we are considering, and they are given as the name as the fundamental particles. And the fundamental particles present inside the atom, if you take, one is called the electron, proton and the neutron. Electron, proton, neutron, these 3 particles are called the fundamental particles, and we are considering only 3 particles and remaining most of the particles we are ignoring. Why we are ignoring, why we are taking these as the 3 as a fundamental particle? If you observe, the stability of the atom depends on the 3 particles. Atom is stable due to the 3 particles. Atom is unstable due to the 3 particles. That's why these are called the fundamental particles. What are the nature of the fundamental particles? If you observe, let us take here, I am taking here electron. So what are the electron? What is the electron? What is the electron? Immediately, the unit negative charged particle present inside the atom is called the electron. Unit negative charged particle which is present inside the atom is called the electron. What is the meaning of this one? The charge of the electron is negative. It is a negative charged particle. Who discovered the electron? Electron was discovered by the J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron immediately. The name which are pronunciating electron, that name was given by the Stoney. Name was given by the Stoney, but it discovered by the J.J. Thomson. Immediately. What is the charge of the electron? Who given the charge of the electron? The charge of the electron was given by the Mulliken. All are important for your examination. Charge of the electron was given by the Mulliken by using the oil drop experiment. What is the charge of electron? The charge of electron, if you observe, it is equal to the minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. If you take the charge in the coulombs, the value will be this much. Or minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. ESU nothing but electrostatic units. So these are the charges of the electron which was determined by the Mulliken by using the oil drop experiment here having. What about the mass of the electron? The mass of the electron is negligible. Why it is negligible? You take the mass of electron is equal to the 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. Or in kgs you take 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. And another unit also there to calculate the mass which is called the AMU. AMU is called the atomic mass unit. According to the atomic mass unit, the mass of the electron is 0.0055 AMUs. Now, it is the mass of the one electron. If you take the mass of the 1 mole of the electron, it is the very important for your EAMCET examination. What is the mass of the 1 mole of electron? What is the difference between 1 electron mass and 1 mole of mass electron? 1 mole nothing but which contains the Avogadro number. Avogadro number nothing but 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 electron. So what is the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 electron, which is called the mass of the 1 mole of electron. 1 mole of electron, which is observed 0.55 milligram. Nothing but the mass of the 1 mole of electron is equal to the 0.55 milligrams only. That's why it can be negligible. That's why the mass of the electron is very light and it is negligible. The 1 mole of the mass of the electron is 0.55 milligrams. Now, the E by M ratio, the charge by mass ratio, which is called the E by M ratio of the electron, which was given by the J.J. Thomson. Again, it was given by the J.J. Thomson. Who discovered the electron? J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. Not only that, he calculated the E by M value, and the E by M value of the electron, if you observe, which is equal to the 1.75 into 10 to the power of 11 coulombs by kgs, coulomb by kg value. It is also given 2 to 3 times in your MCET examination. Last 2 points I will give you. The mass of the electron, if you observe as compared to the proton you take, the mass of the electron is lightweight as compared to the proton. It is nearly 1836 times lighter than the proton. The mass of the electron is 1836 times lighter than the proton. If you compare the another fundamental particle which is called as the neutron, what is the mass of the neutron? Mass of the electron as compared to the neutron, if you observe, it is nearly 1839 times lighter than the neutron. That's why ultimately we can say neutron will have the high mass than the proton, and proton will have high mass than the electron. Electron mass will be the negligible. 1 mole of the mass electron will be equal to the 0.55 milligrams only. So all are important for your each and every examination. Once again you take, what is the electron? Unit negative charged particle which is present inside the atom is called the electron, which is taken as the -1 generally, which was discovered by the J.J. Thomson, but name was given by the Stoney, and the charge was calculated, determined by the Mullikan by using the oil drop method, oil drop experiment, and the values will be like this. What is the minus indicates? Minus indicates that it is a negative charged particle. The mass is negligible. 1 mole of the mass equal to 0.55 milligrams only. E by M ratio was calculated by the J.J. Thomson. Value will be this much. If you compare the proton and the neutron, what is the mass of the electron? The mass of the electron is negligible as compared to the proton and the neutron. As compared to the proton, it is 1836 times lighter than the proton. If you compare the neutron, it is 1839 times lighter than the neutron. Now I am taking the second fundamental particle which is called the proton. Very, very important point. Among the 3 fundamental particle, which is called the first particle. What is the first particle? A. Electron. B. Proton. C. Neutron. D. All. The proton is called the first particle. The proton name is called the proton means that first particle. So among the 3 fundamental particles, the first particle is called the proton immediately. What is the proton? Proton is called the unit positive charged particle which is present inside the atom. It is a unit negative charge. It is a unit positive charge. Nothing but electron will have negative charge. Proton will have the positive charge. Who discovered this one? The proton was discovered by the Goldstein, and name suggested by the Rutherford. Rutherford suggested the name. How he prepared the proton also? He prepared the proton by taking the nitrogen 714 which is bombarded with the helium nucleus, nothing but alpha particle. Immediately he observed the proton. Proton is represented with the H11 hydrogen nucleus, and 7 plus 2 9, here 1, that's why it will be the 8. 8 is nothing but oxygen. 14 plus 4 18, 1 is nothing but it will be this reaction immediately. What is the charge of the proton? The charge of the proton and the charge of the electron is exactly equal to each other. Nothing but in case of minus you take the plus. Plus 1.602 10 to the power of minus 19 plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. So the difference between electron and proton will be the charges only. One will be the negative charge, one will be the positive charge. Ultimately charges will be equal to each other. What about the mass of the proton? The mass of the proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams, or 1.67 in 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. In AMU, if you observe, 1.0072 AMU. This is about the mass of the proton you are having. Third one. Third fundamental particle which is called the neutron. Who discovered the neutron? Neutron was discovered by the Chadwick. Neutron was discovered by the Chadwick. What is the neutron? Neutron is a neutral particle. So neutral particle. One is having the negative charge, one is having the positive charge. Now neutron is having the neutral particle. Nothing but the charge of the neutron is the 0. The charge of the neutron is the 0. How the Chadwick prepared the neutron? By taking the 2 reaction. One beryllium and boron. Beryllium 4 and 9. Boron 5 and 10. Both are bombarded with the alpha particle. Alpha nothing but helium nucleus. So He24, He24. Immediately he observed the neutron N01. Now 4 plus 2 6. That's why it will be the 6 plus 0 6. 6 is nothing but carbon. 9 plus 4 13 1. So nothing but carbon 12. Here N01 plus 5 plus 2, 7. 7 nothing but nitrogen. 10 plus 4, 14. 1 is immediately 13. Nitrogen 7th. By this reaction, Chadwick prepared the neutron. Neutron is a neutral particle. The charge will be the 0, and the mass, if you take mass of the neutron, is nearly equal to the mass of the proton, 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. Look at here, 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Last and final, very, very important. Whenever neutron undergoes the dissociation, decomposition, what you will get? Whenever neutron undergoes the decomposition or dissociation, immediately it gives you the proton and electron. Not only that, it gives you the neutrino. Come on here. Neutron undergoes the decomposition, dissociation, they gives you the proton as well as electron. Not only proton and electron, along with this one you will get the N00, which is called as the neutrino. What is the N00? Neutrino nothing but is a chargeless and massless particle. No charge and no mass particle you will get during the dissociation of the neutron. And the neutron, whenever undergoes the dissociation, it gives you the remaining fundamental particles, nothing but electron and the proton. These about the atom and the smallest indivisible particle according to the Dalton, but it is a divisible. 3 fundamental particle you will get. Electron will have the negative charge, proton will have the positive charge, neutron will have the neutral charge immediately. How these different types of the charges present inside the atom, we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.